Morning YouTubers, Saturday morning, raring to go. Got a good feeling today. Off out in my truck to get some scrap. I reckon I'm gonna kill it today. What we got on? Not a lot. Tumble dryer. Forgot to take all my non-ferrous off. Up the windows. Let's go and get some tat at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we got summits. What is it? Oh, look at this. 2 in a row. I better park in the middle here. 2 machines in a row. Oh, dear. 2 washing machines. I better get me towel lift down. Before another tapman comes out, what a find! Dear me. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my trolley, run up and get that one with my trolley out, and I'm going to put it next to this one, and I'm going to claim it. Let me lower this down. If a tapman comes now, he'll pull in front of me and get that one, so I'm going to run up here. Get this one first. Look. Bit of speed walking. I'm going to run in case I fall over with excitement. You know how it is. And there's one machine. Oh, that's a heavy one. That's one. Oh, the old ones are really heavy. This is an old washing machine, proper heavy. And that's number 2. Let's get them on, eh? Alright, let's go get some more tat, eh? On to the next. Oh, what's this? Hey up, is that another machine I see? Is it? Is it? Oh, it is. Another washing machine. Oh, they should have brought some Calgon, that's all I can say. 3 in a matter of 15 minutes. Let's have it on, eh? Come on, come on. Put my trolley here so I'll box it in. Done. Let's go and get some more scrap.